Hello, let's look at this question also here. In the diagram, the angles BAD and ADC are right angles. BAD, yes, 90. ADC is also 90, so they are right angles. Alright. And AX is parallel to BC. So the AX here is parallel to BC. Alright. If AB is equal to BC, which is 5 centimeters, so this side is equal to this side, and DC is 8. So our DC from D to C is what? Is 8 centimeters. Calculate the area of ABCX. A, B, C, and X. A, B, C, and X. So we are calculating the area of this. Okay, so let's see. Actually, what diagram is even this? A, B, C, X. What plane figure, what four-sided figure is this? Okay, we are told that AX is parallel to BC. So this side and this side are parallel. What about this side and this side? And we're given here as 90 and here as also 90. Okay, so if two sides are also parallel, okay, then their co-interior angle, we can know that it adds up to 180 degrees. All right, so if you draw two parallel lines like this, okay, we know that this and this are co-interior. So co-interior, what does this say? Say that their co-interior angles will add up to 180. All right, so then it means they are parallel. So here is 90, here is 90. So what does it mean? That this line is parallel to this line. So we can say that this line is parallel to what? This line. Then if that happens, then my ABCX becomes a parallelogram. All right, and then we are supposed to calculate the area. But how do we get the area? How is the area of a parallelogram? The length of the base, okay, multiplied by what? The height of the parallelogram. So the length of the base here, we already know that it is what? It is 5 centimeters. It's left with the height of the parallelogram. And what we should know is that the height is the same as the side AD. Okay, so the height of the parallelogram is the same as the side AD. Alright, so that we multiply the base by the height here, and then we get the area of the parallelogram. Okay, so since there is some work to be done on the diagram, okay, let's redraw the diagram, and then I think that will help us to answer the question very well. Alright. Okay, so if we redraw the diagram, so AX, this side is parallel to this side. Okay, here is 90, here is 90. Okay, and this is co-interior, so we can say that this side also is parallel to this side. All right, so and then we're giving DC as what? As 8. And if here is 8, we know parallelogram, the opposite sides are what? Are the same. So if here is 5, then here is going to be 5. And what will happen to here? 3 centimeters. Alright, so that's 5 plus the 3. So the opposite sides will become the same. For this is the AXCB becomes a parallelogram. Okay, and then this side will be equal to this side. So here is going to be what? 5 centimeters. Alright, so 5. Here is the same as 5, and here is the same as this 5. Okay, so what we have to do is to find what? Is to find the height. So the base is what? 5 centimeters. The length of this. So let's find the height. Okay, so if I consider this right angle triangle here, if here is 90, this side is the hypotenuse 5 centimeters. This side is what? The other side, which is 3, and then my height here will be what? So we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem, and then we find this particular side, and then we get what? The height of the parallelogram. Alright, and then we are good to go. Is that okay? Okay, so from triangle ADX, right, you can say my 5 square is equal to what? 3 square plus AD square. So 25 is equal to 9 plus AD square. So 25 minus 9 is equal to AD square. And what will be 25 minus 9? That will be 16. And my AD is going to be what? Square root of 16. And that will give me 4. So it means that here is what? 4 centimeters. Alright. And this is the same as what? The height of what? The height of the parallelogram. Okay? That's the same as the height. So if you have been able to calculate here, then area of ABCX, okay, is equal to the length of the base times the height, because we are calculating the area of this. So what we have to take note is that its height will also be 4 centimeters. Alright, this is the same as this. Okay, so its height will also be 4. So the length of the base, alright, which is 5 centimeters times the height, which is what? 4. 5 times 4. That will give us 20 centimeters square. 20 centimeters square. Alright, so the area of ABCX is 20 centimeters square. I think this is so simple and easy to do. Okay, I believe you enjoyed this lesson. Make sure to subscribe and share. I'll see you again in our next lesson. Bye bye.